Hi everyone. Today is 13th of December. Uh 13 and number 13 is not really so lucky, and I guess Tesla is having a bad day, a pretty bad day today. Anyway, what I see at this point is 237 or 236.94, almost 237, acted as a clear resistance level at this point, and it actually came down. So at around after 10:30, it actually shows that market is trying to go down. Within the first 20 minutes, there was massive sell-off. Not really massive, but if you see the 5-minute candlesticks chart, then you will see also, if you compare with the volume, you will see at 9:40 and 9:50, there are some huge red candles, which actually, right, like 400K sell off the volume was. So at that point, I was feeling that market will go down. And yesterday also, I said market should actually go down to 230 or 229. I think I was saying 231 yesterday. It should at least go to 231. So it actually came down to 228 something. And around 10:35, I saw quite a red candle along with the VWAP line. And at that point, I was quite sure that market will come down. You already know that Tesla is struggling in Sweden regarding some union unionized workers in the Swedish talk. They want to uh, do union or something. So that's why Tesla is struggling a little bit at this moment, and that could be a reason. And another thing is there is a meeting today. I think the Fed meeting. The rate cut decision will be taken today, I guess, for the next year or so, and this is probably the last federal meeting today for the year. So that could be a reason for this unstable market. But still, I really hope that Tesla will reverse, and I still now don't really see any uh, big reason to go down. Like maybe it will again touch like 222 or 218 even, but after that it should at least retest the resistance of 250 or 252. I'm still optimistic, and I did not sell my position still now. That's the truth. So let's see what happened. And it's just 12:23 in the afternoon. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.